Y'all, I had an unexpected guest join my picnic tonight. I felt the presence of something behind me and turned around, and there was this little raccoon staring at me, begging for my pizza. And since I'm scared of raccoons because I've seen one once that had rabies, um, I gave him a slice of pizza so he would like go off. But he's still sitting there eating his pizza. He loves it. His choice is pepperoni with extra cheese. So say hi for the camera. Nope. Anywho, I think I'm gonna go finish my dinner in the car. Yes, yes. Let him eat in peace.